Hello, it's your boy Joshua. Within my video, I teach people how to solve different computer problems. So in this video, I'm going to be teaching you how to download Mcafee on your computer system. So let's get started. All you need to do is to go to your web browser, click on it, and you come to the search bar, search for Microsoft, click enter. Double click on software update and download more software. Double click on that. All you need to do is just to come to the search bar and search for the antivirus. Click enter. So now you will see various type of Mcafee antivirus on your computer. All you need to do is just scroll down and count down to Mcafee total protection. Select it and select download. Then you will see the download start automatically on your web browser. Thank you for watching this video. Once again, I'm Joshua. With my video, I teach you how to solve different computer problems. So if this is your first time watching my video, all you need to do is just like, comment, click that notification bell so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you.